To create a custom paper size in your printer driver to match your mug size papers, go to the Start menu, right click the icon and select Settings. In here go to Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners, and in this menu select your printer model. Click Printing Preferences and we'll be presented with the Epson Preferences menu. In document size, we want to go to Use Defined, which is usually the last option in the menu. Here we can title our paper size. I'll be changing ours to Mug Papers 99. Now this matches the Ink Expert's 99 by 210mm paper, and I'll need to change the paper width to 99mm and then change the paper height to 210. We can now click Save and we have our custom mug size paper available for selection in document size. You can continue to do this to make sizes for all your different types of mug paper. Just change your paper width and paper height settings to match.